Hello Space Engineers, welcome back to the ice planet of Triton, Wellington 6012 here. Hope everybody is well. So, I'm sort of getting back into this a couple of days early actually, it's midweek. Reason being, I am over High Festus Prime. I've spent all weekend working on one thing, so having a bit of a break. Yes, that's going to be episode 90 if you're playing at home. Right, before we get on to today, I'll just, I have worked probably about half an hour off camera. I just moved this conveyor tube over here out of the way because I want to do some stuff in there in a minute. I published the Dingbat a couple of days ago. So just gave it a bit of a paint job. There are some lights as well. And yeah, I just put some extra batteries in there for now, so plug that gap. So yes, we can turn the lights on. Oh, we need to turn the whole thing on. So green sort of mood lighting. And last time I said the light button didn't work. Reason was I didn't have spotlights on. I just had sort of regular ambient lights. So now I've swapped them out for the correct lights. It works. So now I can, yeah, turn them on and off. Right, so we'll power that down again. So, what else did I do? And I also published the recovery drone. And as you can see, I've already bought one unknown signal back. Put this little thing on the back here, just for, yeah, just cause. I do think I actually still need another timer on it though, so I think I've got 3 on there, but I think I need a 4th one, and I don't quite know where I'm going to put it. Maybe in there. Anyway, we'll come back to that. I put in this O2 generator, and just used that to weld it up. The tank, that is, because the tank's got quite a few components. So yeah, just really to get rid of the ice out of the system. So that's just very slowly filling up. So only temporary, we'll move it at some other point. Right, so let's get into things. What I want to do is drill out a grinder pit. And I just want to do some stuff around here as well. So convert this into my dump pit. Yeah, so the grinder pit's going to sort of go over there somewhere. And this will be the access for the conveyors to get sort of underneath. And also, yeah, my dump pit for gravel and that sort of thing. So, what I'm going to do is... What am I going to do? I'm going to grab this and just make sure that we're up the right way. Yep. So I'm going to use this to make my station, this type of, what do you call it, interior block, interior wall, but to get the grip tread. So what I'll do is I'm not going to weld these up, but I will just lay some out. So we need interior things for those. So that, and actually, what do we need for construction components? Do I have any of those? Yeah, I've got some in there. So this is the plan. So that's sort of going to go there, there, put another one there. I mean, these might not stay because I have to put sort of rails up and stuff. But you get the drift. Oh, that's got one there as well. So that like that. So just put this in here, like that. I'll put another one of them in there, and over there like that. Yeah. So you sort of get the idea there. I'll have to put some rails around the sort of edge, but that's how that's all going to work. Now, what I want to do here is, just let me think. Okay, so if I put some more of these bits of armor here, just for the foundation. I'll just change. I can always change back these colors. So yep, there we go. And then just change back to normal. Like that. And where's the ramps? Well, not ramps, the stairs. There. So put you in there. And do I want to put a door in? So this is what I'm going to sort of use to get down underneath. So I probably want 2 sets. Yeah, that'll work. And then what I can do is I can put a ramp up that way. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Like that. Get rid of that one. And yeah, so what I'll do is I'll turn these drills on. Oh, wrong thing. I'll try that one. Alright. So that way they will just sort of suck up any rocks and stuff that'll go down, hopefully. Oh, they're meant to. Let's just extend that a little bit. Anyway, I'm sure that'll sort itself out. So now I can just hand mine some of this and it will grab it as soon as I find where I want to mine. So there we go. Okie pokey, just giving a bit of a recharge. So there's an unknown signal that's turned up. So what we'll do is we'll just turn this back on. The battery is what I turned off, wasn't it? There we go. Right, just jump back in there and retrieval drone and thrusters are on, unlocked. away it goes. So I've put in a GPS location and set up the autopilot. So the idea with this is that I just fly it over, and yeah, it's a fair old distance, this one. So I haven't done the sort of final approach, but I can get the unknown signal back. So, gosh, it's a long way away, this one. Just amuse yourselves. Alright, coming in quite hot, but if I pull up at the end, the downward thrusters will pull me up quite nicely. So straight down onto it, and lock, and then I just lift up, press 1 to engage the autopilot, and get on with my day. Right, so that will come back eventually. So there you go, it's starting to come over, and it's just going to land up, well, it's not going to land, it's going to fly up there. Alright, so yeah, I've sort of got this happening now. So this is just access to underneath. Put a door here, so yeah, that's cool. Alright, so now that I've just hand mined that stuff out, I will be able to, with a bit more confidence, use these as parts for my big drill. So what I want to do is put some of these down. So I'm going to have to do it on an angle, so I'm going to do it in 45 degrees. Steel plate. So yeah, I'm going to put them in there like that. So I think these are probably, oh, maybe over a little bit. Alright, I'm going to have to get rid of that unknown signal. And yep, we'll just land that. So jump back in. Gently does it. Right, so unknown signal on my doorstep. Magnetic drill, metallic drill. Oh, cool. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to have to grind these down and get them out of the way. So yeah, I'm going to do a hinge to get a 45 degree angle on my grinder pit. Then, sorry, stand by. Right. Okay, so yeah, so I'll put some more of these blocks in. Like so. So I reckon, yeah, it's, thing is when I start the drilling, it's probably actually going to end up over here somewhere, so that's probably about the right spot there. Okay, so let's put a hinge in. Okay, let's put a conveyor in, because I'll need to recover the stuff. So put you out there. so then a hinge. So, and yeah, all right. I'll weld all this up. Stand by. Right, so we'll get that going back that way. Just set the work. Oh, I just got in. Alright, so now I need the pistons. So why are you not attaching? Because I don't have any steel. There's some steel. Just need a little bit. What's in there? Oh, more steel. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to put one. I think one will be enough actually. One and then turn around and have it coming back the other way. Yeah, that'll be enough. So then we want. Okay, I better weld this up. Alright, so I'm going to come out quite a bit. So I need to fit the drills in. Yeah, so I'm going to come out that much. And you there. Right, so before I sort of do anything else, I just need to put... Oh, more steel. So I just need to temporarily put that in there. And then if I put a block in there, yep, that's going to be perfect. So what I'm going to do is in that gap between the piston and this slope piece, I'm going to put one of the magnetic pads. So what we'll do is we'll just reverse you, change you to 0. That way I can put in one of those, and then one of those. Just turn the lock off. And that's just going to strengthen this whole thing up. Keep it on the right angle. Okay, so that's that. Hopefully that all works. And then need some more steel. Right, and then can we lock this? Marvelous. So that's going to keep that rock solid now.
Low.
Oh, just a bit of a top up.
Fuel critical.
Right. So I just want to get this laid out, because then I can grind down all that stuff to use it for parts. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, another unknown signal. Pretty close to that one actually, so I might just fly over and grind that. Yeah, I'll do that, and then need to put in the rotor. In fact, that's come really close to that unknown signal. Oh, that was what I wanted. Add a small head. And then add our medium cargo container. Like so. Yeah, actually what I'll do is... No, that's alright that way. Drills. Drills. There they are. Just get rid of the build info. Like so. And... Okay, so that's gonna... Oh. Come back. Oi! Okay. So that's going to connect all that up. That's going to connect that up. Oi! Come back. Alright, stop spinning. Ugh. Can I put a lock on it? Yes. Lock still works even though it's unconstructed. Alright, and... No steel. Oh! Alright, well, you get my drift. Probably need a fifth one on there. Yeah, I think so. Alright, I'm going to grab that unknown signal and break all that down and weld all this. And then we'll get drilling. Alright, so that's all done, I think. Yeah, let's just make sure though. So if we go into here, yes, transfer that across. It's going pretty slow. Okay, I might have to do something about that. Right, so we'll get this started. So we'll turn all those on. Oh, shaky. We'll inertia tension you. And you as well. All of you. There we go, that's better. But you can imagine what would have happened if this wasn't locked down. That would just wobble it and shake itself to bits. Now, I didn't think that was actually going to clear that, but that's not looking too bad. So let's just get you going slowly to start with. Get you going. There we go. I'm going to have to clear away anything. I think that's going to be right. I'll just put a light on as well. Make you a bit bigger. Okay, that's cleared that, no worries. So we'll speed you up. And the drills, I want to go at about, just get away from that noise. I want the drills to go, the pistons. So I find 0.02 is probably a good speed, but that's just for one piston. So divide that by 5, and we're 0.004. Cool. And one of them there needs to go the other direction. Cool. Alright. What I might do is, because yeah, that's gonna fill up this pretty quick, I think. Yeah. Alright. I might put another O2 generator on. Just yeah, I think this will be sort of a one-off to get this much ice, so I may as well make the most of it while I'm doing it. So that's not it. Try that one. That one there. Actually, there is a oh, it's miles away. Just about to say there's an unknown signal, but yeah, it's miles away. Alright. Good. And yeah, I'll put another one in as well, so yeah. Oh, that's because we need more components. I wanted to add... Oh, that's deposit. That's the one there we want. Yes, so now it's making them. Alright. So that's that. What I might do as well is I was thinking about putting in another refinery also. Yeah. So if I... It's just... they can get pretty fouled up with the likes of cobalt and that sort of thing. Alright, we'll queue up some steel then, actually. Actually, we'll queue up 100 of those. And then we will also queue up a refinery. Grab some steel. Cool. Cool. I'll finish this off. Oh. Right, so if I grab one of them, well, not one of them, but one of them, can I get the parts for that? Yes, and if I place that here, and with the thing on the right side this time, last episode I plumbed the conveyor into, I plumbed the conveyor into the empty side. So is that, it's not doing it. Okay, what are we going to do to overcome that? Did I just need to turn that on before? Ah, nuts. Alright, that's doing its thing, so that's good. Now, power efficiency modules, or what else? What other modules have we got? Because I unlocked those last time, didn't I? Yeah, when I made something, can't remember what. So speed modules. Might be quite good. Yield module. I haven't got any superconductors, so I can't do that, but that would be good. What do I need? Gold, don't I? And power efficiency. Okay, so I think we do need steel. Oh, really? Alright, we'll just turn you off. And that way I can sort of get some steel. Oh. Oh, yeah. Right. So I'm going to put you there, you there, you there, you there. And I'll put a speed module down there, 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 and there. Alright, so I'll queue those up. Production. So mod. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. So I'll leave that to do its thing for a while. That's just sneaking away. It's good. There's still a bit of room in there, but yeah, that ice is certainly taking up a bit of room. Maybe I need to put another container in. Yeah. Yep, I'll do that. Alright, maybe just leave this with me for a while, and we'll come back when it's all done. Right, so this is filling up nicely, and we have lots of stuff. Yeah, that's sort of getting pretty full. Oh no, it's not too bad. The refineries are keeping up with the stone, so we'll just let that continue. It's almost got right down, so that's good. Right, so got the refineries in. Now, what I'll do is put in another container there. And we'll do the welder trick again, I think. As soon as I can find a welder. It's here somewhere. There it is. It's just because they do take quite a few components, those large grid containers. A large grid container, I should say. We'll turn it on this time. Yeah, that looks a bit better. Oh, it's doing those. I didn't want it to do the steel plate. Oh well. We'll come back to that. Yeah, okay, so that's those. That's that. We're chewing through the power, but that's all good. The assembler is just assembling like mad. So I've queued up a whole lot of parts for the interior plate and the interior walls. These things here. So we'll come back to those. So what I'm going to do is run this back down. I'll just get my steel plate back because I'm not actually intending to weld these ones up at all. Alright, so this will get connected up with sorter on pull, so stick it in there. But what we can do is just that there, and yeah, a sorter is going to go there, and that sorter is going to pull all the ingots into this container, and then we're going to have another sorter here, which is going to be like a valve, and that's going to let the stop stuff going backwards. Anything can go forwards through it. So that's all good. And then need some more. Alright, back to it. Now I want assembler. Where's that? Is it in that group? Nope. Oh, hang on. Yes, it is. Yeah, let's just have a bit of a think. Yeah, I probably want to come underneath it so I can use the... or even have it on its side. Just thinking about the modules that go with it. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to want to put that... Yep. So if I do that there, one's probably going to be enough. Yeah, one will be enough. So if I... Okay. I know what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is go like that, like that, put the assembler wherever it's gone, like that, and then its output like that. Cool, and then we're going to need a container to put the stuff in. So that's going to need another... Hang on. No, I don't need a sorter there. I want the sorter down here and blacklist ingots. Right. Let's go with getting this all sorted out again. So I'm going to put another container in here, and that'll be the component container. Yeah, so that'll work. So I need a sorter here. Well, I can use this sorter basically. So put that there, and and I know I can use Shift P, but yeah. Right, so we don't actually need that one. That can go back to that. Alright, so stuff gets refined in here. There's a sorter here that only lets ingots go through. In fact, it's going to pull the ingots into this container. And then the assembler can use the ingots out of here, back and forth. And this is going to prevent ingots going past here. And then we'll have a couple of containers here which will have the components in them. Yeah, alright. So leave that with me to sort out. And yeah, I'll come back when it's all done.
Energy low.
Alright, so there we go. I went a bit crazy with the old welding, but it's looking good. Looking very good. Let me never criticise any welder above what I have at the moment. Which is what, just an advanced or a basic? I'm not sure. Yes, it took a very long time. Now, even though I've put in this extra turbine, I think we are actually still losing power. Don't know where it's going, but we are losing it. So I might just put in one of these. Ow. Oh. Right. So we'll sort out these sorters. Sort the sorters, yes. We'll get them happening just once I get this all done. Some steel tube. Need to make some. So yeah, used quite a lot of components in this, but the refinery's just absolutely trucked through the stone that came out of there, which is all done now. And yes, I've got an assembler over here, which I just need to add some modules to, so we'll do that in a second. Just see if we can finish this off. Yes, there we go. Already on. Is it going though? That's right, you kind of need to turn them on and off so they just take a little while to get hydrogen in there. Come on, you can do it. Come on, there's a whole tank load of hydrogen there. We'll come back to that. I think it's just a little bit of a bug. Yeah. Right. Modules. So let's put some modules on here. Just change the color. And then I'll get the sorters sorted. Where are we? There we are. So I'm thinking definitely speed modules, steel. In fact, what we'll do is we'll make module. Alright, so a couple of power ones I think, and a couple of speed ones. Actually, I probably don't need the power ones. I'm probably better off with just speed. So 4 of those. Yeah, so I decided to go with that. Just one and put the speed modules on. Yeah, that's right. So I'll put that there. I'm going to lose access to these in a minute. So better just weld these up. Alright, so now back to these conveyors and sorters and things. So this is kind of the main line in, and then so this will be just ores, which oh, hang on, we need a sorter here. So we'll put you in there. Right, so we'll set this one to... I didn't put the control panel on top. Stand by. There we go. Alright, so we'll program this one up. Let's put a rail in first. So I don't want to go super crazy on aesthetics on this base, but I want it to look nice, so a few little bits and pieces here and there. So yeah, some nice safety rails around where potentially you could get stuck. Okay, so this one is going to be our sorter or pull. So we want whitelist and we want ore, and we also want ingots. Now eventually this will change and I won't have ice coming in, but the ingots is just to clear out any that might be in the system. So that's all we want there. So whitelist, and we want the drain on. Cool. Alright, so that's going to be ores and ingots in there. They're going to come through here. And then this one, we want to be sorter, ingot, pull. And whitelist on, and add those. So now that's going to pull all the ingots out of there into here, hopefully. So, yep, that's filling up, so that's cool. We better just rename this large cargo container ingot storage. And as you can probably hear, the storm's back. So actually, how's that power doing? Is that... Okay, so that's on. Our turbines are spinning. Yep. And fully recharged now. Okay, I'll do these sorters and then I'll turn that hydrogen off. So that's cool. That's our assembler. So that hopefully just Oh, I can't check it, but hopefully the ingots aren't flooding in there. And then this one is going to be our sorter component. Component. Oh. And we want whitelist, and we want to put all the everything in there basically. Add you, components, hand tools, not ingots. Don't worry about ore, but I do want gravel. Cool. Yep, so that's fine. Train all on. And then that should go into here. Yep. So that's filling up. So this is large cargo container component. Oh. Storage. Right. And then we've got this one here, which is just a valve. Yeah, so hopefully the sorter down there doesn't push this one too hard. In actual fact, just need to get that control panel up the right way. So this would be sorter component exit. And anything can go through that. So that's cool. So hopefully now, stuff in there, it's all just filling up slowly. It's good. It's good. Yeah, okay. So they're all fine. Just rename these. See, now this stuff's in here, but okay, I just need to temporarily put the components and it is spelled with an E. Component is just one of those words that I get wrong all the time. So that's just draining that, but hopefully that will be empty. And that one. Yes. Right. We're getting there. We're getting there. So I'll just get rid of that while I think of it. Alright, so I do need to put another line, because I do actually need components to be able to get into here, so that they can either go back into the assembler to be disassembled, or they can go back around into here. So, what I need to do... So I kind of need one going down here. I'll come back to that. Right. So that's all good, that's all good. So everything should be in the right place. Let us get on with putting this... I can't get stuff out of there. And what's wrong? I need to get out of here. Now actually, how much steel do I have? Not much. So we'll... make a couple more thousand of those. Right. I think we can turn off the hydrogen tank. Hydrogen engine. That's good. The storm's given them a bit of a charge, bit of a top up. So, what we're going to do here is put that in there, that in there, that in there. And then that in there. Yeah. And then we're going to go for the block with the bit sliced off of it. That one. Yeah. Put you there, and you under there, you there, you under there. Probably wondering what I'm doing. So that one there is just scaffolding. It will make sense in a minute. One there. And one there. Right, I'll come back to those others. So if we put those in there like that, that like that, that like that, that like that, and that like that. Same down here. So this is going to be our slope. And then if I get these ones, and I'm going to make them that colour there. They can go into the gaps there. Like so. And then I can just get rid of the scaffolding now. So, like that. Cool. And then I'm going to have to do the, obviously the other side, but I'll just weld all this up so you can see what it looks like. In fact, I've just had a thought. All right, so that's all done. I'll go back to that in a second. I've figured out what I need to do to get the conveyors working. So it all works well now because I moved these just because the top of the stairs was getting a bit tight. So ore gets sucked into here, and then is free flowing into the refineries. The refineries, everything gets pulled out of there except for ore. So anything that's produced, if I deposit anything, so I actually need to put a return in here that allows anything to get into the refinery. That way ingots can come through here and into here if I load them externally from somewhere else. And also like the grinders and things, be able to suck it through. So then that comes through, gets all into there. Yeah, so what I need to do is, I won't do it right now, but I will do it off camera in a minute, is I need to connect underneath here, put a pipe that comes up out of there, across here, and into the connector that's under here. So that's the plan. So it'll go across there and across there, depending on which side of the refinery the thing is underneath. Right, but I won't do that right now. I'll just put those components. I'll keep those components. Right, let's go and have a look at this. I'm really glad that this arm was here for the welders. That made short work of this, that's for sure. So what I need to do now is, you can see I've got my little template here. I need to dig a hole that goes back through there and put conveyors in. So let's just make sure those are off. Yes, they are. I need to get in such a position that I can see it. Yeah, there'll do. So, road, and it was the vertical. So we'll just go down, see if it comes into view. No, I think it's upside down, that's why. Oh, there it is. So, is that it? Yeah, that's it. So, time to get digging, and time to put some conveyors in. Okie pokey. Just about ready to show you what I just did before. That was an awful lot of welding. So we'll just get this sorted. Now this is connected into the refinery. So as I was sort of saying before, this will enable stuff to get back into the system. So this is a sorter, everything return. So basically this is just preventing, I don't think I need to actually change that, but basically that's just preventing the ore from coming out and allows ingots to get in there, and components to get in there that'll get pulled through into here. So yeah, when the grinders are doing their thing, and when I come in with ships or whatever that might have stuff on them, it's just automatically going to pull stuff out. Well, those ones will. This will allow it through. So that's good. Now we'll have to do an on-off for the pull, so that if there's something that I don't want to come out, like maybe I'm loading a ship or something, that it won't try and undo what I'm actually doing. So we'll have to sort that. Not right now. We'll just quickly finish this off, because I don't know how long today's gone for, but I've done heaps. But yeah, that's how this series is going to go. I really just want to get through it. Haven't got the story to go with it. It's just purely getting prepared for the defense of the station. That said, I still do want to make it look reasonably good, as he grabs a whole lot of catwalks out. So there is no interior plates. Sweet. Now I got rid of that other assembler over there because that was actually causing me a few issues, in that I kept queuing up stuff in the wrong assembler, and it wasn't it wasn't getting the ingots because it wasn't connected properly. So that's all good now. Alright, we'll just quickly finish this off, and then we will get into the grinder bit. Awesome. Actually, before we get into the grinder bit, we will just quickly... So, actually, we'll come up here. We'll come in the proper way. So, down the stairs and through here. So, this will be covered. Just the sort of the basement, as it were. And yeah, that's just a little bit high there, but so be it. Right, so what I want to do is put a hinge in here. Like so. You off. And we'll add a small head. So I end up putting a container in here. Ooh. Cool, cool. And just change the color of that. And we'll get that up the right way. Fantastic. Once it gets up there, I'll lock it. And yeah, we need them. Oh, it's a bit tight for room in here. Might just get rid of you. Now, I haven't got anything to sort of... I could just grab it myself, I guess. Rough enough. Just gives me a bit more room. Just get rid of that ice. Right. Where were we? So, want one of those on there. Right, now, want that, so, really is a bit tight in here, but never mind. So let's just grab some of those, one of those, and three of those. Why not? Okay, so what we want here is to put sorter, and then one of them to split it like that, like that. Cool. That up. And we'll call you sorter gravel dump. And yep, we're gonna have to go in here. Gravel. Find the gravel. There it is. And we don't want to drain, we just want it to act as a filter. Because what we want to do is let the ejectors do the business. Now, all I'm intending to do is gravel at the moment, but in theory, I could actually put a different sorter in there, and then I could choose what I'm ejecting. But we'll just do this for now. So we'll do collect all, throw out. So that should be working. Why is it not working? Is it because... No, this is just a valve, isn't it? Oh, no, hang on. Once again, I was not patient enough. There we go. So that's going to get rid of all that. Awesome. Okay, so now let us head down to here, which I haven't finished. Oh. Okay. They off? Yes, they're off. Alright, so there we go. That's all sorted. Now, how about we go here and do grinders. So we'll turn all them on. And we will
Energy low.
detach that. Cool, cool. And we'll just get that one a little bit closer. In fact, we could probably just feed it in there, couldn't we? Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That one's already out, so we will try and detach that. Marvellous. We'll detach this one. Why are you not going? Come on, in you go. Stuck. Alright. Just trying to get a bit of weight behind it, but No? What about we try some batteries? Come on, in you go. You are working, aren't you? Yes. Alright. Alright, well that did the business. Okay, well today has been a good day. It's been a long day. Whew, we've done heaps. So we'll just get rid of you in there. And yes, that's all good. Alrighty, well next time we will set up the flight path. So I'm just going to continue on and I'm going to get rid of all of this stuff here. So I'll grind all that down. And yeah, I won't get that unknown signal. But next time we will, as I say, we'll set up a flight path for the drone retrieval. And we'll see if we can grab another drone. And yeah, then start to think about...
Energy critical.
yeah, getting somewhere to charge. And...
Energy low.
this one. Yeah, getting somewhere to charge. And hangar, that sort of thing. Yeah. Okay, so until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. Have a good one.